The experience about this whole journey of doing the prenatal yoga course here in Rishikesh is very, very wonderful. The teachers are very, very good. They are very helpful. They teach us so well. We got to learn so many things about the subject with the teachers.
Women, before they get pregnant, they need to have a garbha samskara, purification of the womb.
The teachers are amazing. The quality of the teaching is something that I never expected. Like, I knew it was going to be good, but not this good. Honestly, it's so beautiful, and you make so many friends here. You meet so many beautiful souls here. The staff are amazing. The food is so nice, and if you need any help, they're always here.
This is a good posture, can be done throughout all the 3 trimesters of the pregnancy. Do it from both the sides and stay in this posture for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then switch the side and do it from the other side.
How the pregnant ladies should perform the yoga. In fact, they even invited a doctor from a proper hospital for the classes. So it was such a good environment. We had the right knowledge of anatomy, physiology, and especially Anita ma'am, our philosophy teacher, our guide, and the leading teacher over here.
Somehow I ended up here. I made my decision and I came here, and I have not regretted that decision from day one. It has been an amazing experience just being in this environment next to nature. And the school is just located right at the lap of Mother Ganga. So it's a beautiful moment to just like step out and, bask in the blessings of the river.
The food in this place is also excellent, and the students here are all fantastic. Everyone feels like a family, everyone's here to support each other, everyone's very caring, and again, all the teachers are very caring, very generous people.
Yoga makes you so powerful. At some point you cross beyond the limits of your own mind and try to experience something which lies beyond the mind. It happens slowly and everybody will achieve it, but with gradual progress.
I would love to come back here again in World Peace Yoga School.
I'm looking forward for applying it, and I feel ready, really ready, much more than I've been before. So
Yeah, Rishikesh is so safe, and when I came here, everyone was saying to me, oh, make sure that you're safe, make sure that you're safe. But this is safer than any place that I've been to. And if you need any help, you can just talk to random people on the street and they will be there for you. It's really, really safe. Yeah, it's amazing. Thank you.